Behind this Turkish Airlines A330 we have a very special aircraft. This is Surinam Airways Airbus A340-300 going to Paramaribo in Suriname, which is a flight of more than 9 hours. We actually waited for this aircraft this morning at another runway, but then it got delayed with about 7 hours, and now it takes off right in front of us, which is very nice. With the 4 underpowered engines off to Paramaribo. Oh, he's taking a lot of runway. There he lifts his nose up just behind the building. Let's see if we can get another glimpse of it. Yeah, there it comes. Slowly but surely climbing. Very nice. And there he goes off to Paramaribo.